My team is so super active. मैंने इसे कहा था कि नोट्स बनाना बच्चों के लिए, इन्होंने बुक लिंक डाली और Ahmed is leading our department of IELTS, English language department basically, where we are looking to IELTS, PDP and TOEFL and all other departments. He's doing a great job. Roha was also a part of English department, but now she has been strapped to another department. But the time she spent in the IELTS department was really grateful and fabulous. And all, you know, all credit goes to Ahmed and Roha. सिर्फ ये रिबन की हद तक ही पार्ट था जो मैंने अदा किया है, बाकी सारा पार्ट जो है ना वो अहमद और रोहा का है. Impressed by their work और once again all credit goes to Roha and Ahmed. A huge round of applause for Roha. Thank you.